Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front bucket, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, sunroof, power, with express open, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, seats, heated and cooled, driver and front passenger, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SV flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled, wheels, 4 18 inches x 8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, aluminum, skid plate package, tires, P265/65 or 18 all-season, black wall. Wheels, 4 18 inches x 8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, chrome-clad aluminum, LPO, rear wheelhouse liner, audio system, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 playback, USB port, rear vision camera, LPO, all-weather floor mats, ebony deep rig rubber, Z71 appearance package, suspension package, off-road and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.